Hi, welcome to BizSight, financial accounting software for small business from Biz Technologies. My name is Ranjit Charles, and I'm going to take you through a quick tour of the product. Let's go ahead and log in. Notice that we're within a browser. Once you log in, you're going to be looking at a home page. In this case, it's a customer home page. We're going to select, just look at some of the other home pages that we have to get a sense for the breadth of the product. On the accounting side, graphs and balances that give you the financial health as well as reports. The banking side, you can do deposits, you can reconcile accounts. We'll come back to the customer side again. On the vendor side, you can enter bills, pay bills, create purchase orders. Inventory, maintain items, balances, as well as do inventory transactions. For those of you that are in the manufacturing side or manufacturing world, you can create bills, work orders. And we're going to come back to the customer homepage and notice that we can create a quote, convert a quote to an invoice, and then go ahead and receive payments from your customer. Next, let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper and create an invoice. We're going to select a customer. We're going to type in BI for bicycle, select the bicycle. Let's go with a quantity of 2. Choose another item. Go ahead and pick a bike helmet. Put a quantity there. Next, let's go ahead and print preview this invoice and notice that it looks nice. It's graphical. You can add logos to it. It's totally customizable. It comes with system comes with several templates. Next, we're going to add a note to this invoice. So I select this note, and this note system is global in the system. It covers vendor bills, journals, and most of the transaction system. So we're going to add a little note saying shipping per customer requirement. It automatically will get tagged against that particular customer, Blue Bicycle Company. Let's go back to let's go take a look at that invoice. There it is. And we're going to, from here, we're going to apply cash or receive a payment that the customer has sent us. So once you select receive payment, notice that it's already selected. We're going to put a check number here. Save and close. And we'll pull it up and we'll be back to the invoice listing. We're going to select that again. This time we're going to come through the menu, select an invoice, and notice that you can also switch. If you were to select a payment credit card, our PayPal interface will show up. Assuming you have the credentials for PayPal, you can process your customer payment directly from here. Let's go ahead and close. Actually, we're going to not save this transaction. Next, we're going to go back and take a look at the note that we entered. There's our note against the Blue Bicycle Company. Let's go ahead and close that. All these notes are come together with the customer or vendor. In this particular case, Blue Bicycle Company. So there's the note that we entered. So any note that is entered that relates to the customer will show up there. Next, let's take a look at how an email that is actually sent from Microsoft Outlook will actually be saved in as a note within the system. So here I'm going to send an email to myself. And there's notice at the top right hand, you actually see an icon called BizSight. I'm just going to put a little note up here, and then we're going to click that icon. And once you do that, you get a customer list. This is real time from the system. We're going to send that. Once we do that, you'll see we're going to go back into the system and we're going to take a look at it against Blue Bicycle Company. and you'll see that new email that we just sent out that has been actually saved here as a note. Next, let's go into the vendor homepage. We're going to start with by entering a bill that we received from a vendor. Let's go ahead and select the vendor who we received a bill from. The account automatically comes in. You can put a note if you so choose. Let's go ahead and enter the amount of our invoice. Let's go ahead and save and close that. All the payment terms and that are set up in the vendor come through. Let's go ahead and enter another bill. We're going to buy some bicycles, so as we keep selling bicycles, so we're going to buy bicycles from our vendor to restock our inventory. Let's go ahead and notice here the first one you used account numbers. Here you're actually using products or items. So let's go ahead and save and close this. Next, we're going to go and pay these vendors. So let's see how our vendor payment site works. Here I've got two grids, and I select on the left side, and I can select both invoices for the for exotic bikes. Selected the print, and now I'm looking at a screen where I'm going to print a check. And once again, this check layout is customizable as well. Let's go ahead and close this, and let's come back to our customer homepage. While there is more to the product, I hope this has given you a good overview of the core areas of the product. BizSight comes in several editions. BizSight Professional, which is our core product, the Express Edition, which is a limited one. BizSight Manufacturing gets into the world of manufacturing for manufacturing companies, and BizSight Cloud allows you to run BizSight off Microsoft Azure in the cloud. For more information, please visit our website, biztechnologiesonline.com. And again, thank you for watching.